This video will demonstrate how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble the SWT37 flow sensor used in the ACS-3 ozone generators. We'll begin the disassembly by separating the two halves of the union. We'll locate and inspect the gasket O-ring for any breaks, cracks. We then remove carefully the impeller spindle and stabilizer. The impeller should come out easily. We want to inspect and clean the magnets that are located on opposite ends of the impeller. And you can use the same toothpaste and toothbrush that you use to clean the ORP sensors. We're trying to knock free any debris, remove any grime that's built up on the impeller. It's important to clean inside the impeller blades, as grime and debris can build up on them as well. We'll give that a quick rinse, and once again check to make sure no debris is flaking off or if there's more cleaning that needs to be done. Once that's complete, we can then clean the interior of the flow sensor body, making sure it's free of debris and grime. We'll usually give it a few gentle taps the other end of the stabilizer to make sure it's properly seated, and we can reassemble our impeller and spindle. Next, we can look at our gasket and reassemble the other half of the union again. Don't over tighten this item. Hand tight is fine. Over tightening will cause it not to function.